Welcome to Live Well Journey. Eating healthy doesn't have to be complicated or boring. This week, we're blending up 7 smoothies for 7 days, each one designed for a different goal. From energy and focus to relaxation and sleep. Whether you're new to healthy eating or a smoothie lover, these recipes will help you feel better, stronger, and more alive. Get ready to discover which smoothie fits your goal and your taste. Let's start with Monday's Energy Booster. Day 1 Monday, Energy Booster Smoothie. Option A, Banana Power Smoothie. Kick off your week with energy that lasts. Blend banana, oats, peanut butter, and almond milk for a creamy, delicious energy boost that keeps you going all morning. Smoothie recipe. 1 banana, 2 tablespoons oats, 1 tablespoon peanut butter, 1 cup almond milk, honey. Health benefits. Sustained energy, muscle fuel, balanced blood sugar. Best time. Morning pre-workout. Option B, Tropical Energy Smoothie. Prefer something lighter? Try this tropical twist with mango, pineapple, and coconut water, packed with quick-digesting carbs and electrolytes for natural energy. Smoothie recipe. 1/2 mango, 1/2 cup pineapple, 1 cup coconut water. Health benefits. Instant energy, hydration, vitamin C. Best time. Morning or post-workout. Day 2, Tuesday. Detox and Cleanse Smoothie. Option A, Green Detox Smoothie. Tuesday is your refresh day. Blend spinach, cucumber, green apple, and lemon for a detox smoothie that helps your body flush out toxins naturally. Smoothie recipe. 1 cup spinach, 1/2 cucumber, 1 green apple, juice of 1/2 lemon, 1 cup water. Health benefits. Detox, hydration, digestion. Best time. Morning empty stomach. Option B, Mint and Ginger Cleanser. Add a little spice to your cleanse. Mint, ginger, and parsley create a refreshing flavor while cleansing your liver and improving gut health. Smoothie recipe. 1 tablespoon mint leaves, 1 teaspoon grated ginger, handful parsley, 1/2 cucumber, 1 cup cold water. Health benefits. Liver support, gut health, metabolism. Best time. Morning. Day 3 Wednesday. Brain and Focus Smoothie. Option A, Blueberry Walnut Smoothie. Boost your brain with blueberries, walnuts, and Greek yogurt. Rich in antioxidants and omega-3s. This smoothie helps you think clearer and stay sharp. Smoothie recipe. 1/2 cup blueberries, 1 tablespoon walnuts, 1/2 cup Greek yogurt, 1/2 cup milk. Health benefits. Brain health, memory, focus. Best time. Morning or study time. Option B, Avocado Spinach Brain Fuel. Creamy avocado meets spinach and honey, giving your brain healthy fats and steady energy to keep you productive all day. Smoothie recipe. 1/2 avocado, 1 cup spinach, 1 teaspoon honey, 1 cup almond milk. Health benefits. Brain function, concentration. Best time. Morning or lunch. Day 4, Thursday, Weight Loss Smoothie. Option A, Pineapple Spinach Slim Smoothie. This light green smoothie blends pineapple, spinach, chia seeds, and coconut water for a refreshing fat-burning drink. Smoothie recipe. 1/2 cup pineapple, 1 cup spinach, 1 teaspoon chia seeds, 1 cup coconut water. Health benefits. Fat burning, hydration. Best time. Morning or lunch. Option B, Berry Fat Burner Smoothie. For berry lovers, mix strawberries, raspberries, flax seeds, and almond milk for antioxidants and fiber that support healthy weight loss. Smoothie recipe. Half a cup strawberries, half a cup raspberries, 1 tablespoon flax seeds, 1 cup almond milk. Health benefits. Weight loss, digestion. Best time. Morning. Day 5, Friday muscle recovery smoothie. Option A, strawberry protein smoothie. After a long week, your body needs repair. Blend strawberries, protein powder, almond milk, and oats. Perfect after exercise. Smoothie recipe. Half a cup strawberries, 1 scoop protein powder, 1 cup almond milk, 2 tablespoons oats. Health benefits. Protein recovery, energy. Best time. After workout. Option B, chocolate banana muscle builder. Prefer something indulgent? This chocolate banana combo gives you both comfort and strength with natural potassium and protein. Smoothie recipe. 1 banana, 1 tablespoon cocoa, 1 scoop protein powder, 1 cup milk. Health benefits. Muscle repair, glycogen refill. Best time. Post-workout or snack. Day 6, Saturday. Immune defense smoothie. Option A, orange carrot glow smoothie. It's time to protect your body. Blend orange, carrot, and turmeric for an immune-boosting powerhouse full of vitamin C and antioxidants. Smoothie recipe. 1 orange, 1/2 carrot, half a teaspoon turmeric, slice of ginger, half a cup water. Health benefits. Immunity, anti-inflammation. Best time. Morning. Option B, berry citrus shield. A burst of flavor and protection. Mix orange, strawberries, and lemon for a tangy, immune-supporting drink. Smoothie recipe. 1 orange, half a cup strawberries, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 1 cup water. Health benefits. Vitamin C boost, hydration. Best time. Morning or afternoon. Day 7, Sunday. Relax and sleep smoothie. Option A, banana almond dream smoothie. End your week with calm. Blend banana, almond butter, oats, and warm milk. Rich in magnesium and tryptophan to help you sleep deeply. Smoothie recipe. 1 banana, 1 tablespoon almond butter, 2 tablespoons oats, 1 cup warm milk. Health benefits. Relaxation, sleep aid. Best time. Option B, lavender honeycomb smoothie. Add a floral twist with lavender and honey for a soothing, bedtime-friendly treat. Smoothie recipe. Half a teaspoon dried lavender, 1 teaspoon honey, 1/2 banana, 1 cup almond milk. Health benefits. Calm nerves, reduce stress. Best time. Night. That's your 7-day smoothie journey. Each smoothie serves a purpose. Energize, cleanse, sharpen, strengthen, protect, and relax. Try them, mix them, and discover how easy it is to nourish your body naturally. Subscribe to Live Well Journey for more weekly healthy food inspiration. Your health is a journey. Make it delicious.